Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to check out the SwitchBot indoor camera. Now, SwitchBot sent us this to review, and this is a really nice, very lightweight indoor camera. And you can use it on its own, or you can also use it with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem.
And look at this. It comes with a little foot.
Yep.
So you can do
So
it.
that's optional. You can either mount that on the wall or you can add this little foot to it so it stands up on its own. Now it's really neat. It's got a lot of great features. It's an HD camera. It's got a 130-degree wide angle lens on it. It has a microphone and speaker so you can monitor and talk to people through the little camera here. And it also has human detection and night vision.
Oh, very cool. So let's see. Which one is this one here? This is in the app. We'll press that.
So we're using it here in the SwitchBot app.
Oh, it looks pretty cool.
There it is. And you can see what we're seeing right now, which is our gear here on the table.
It's all the gear on the table. Boom, boom. Oh, it fell over. There we go. That looks pretty good, huh?
Blind the people with the light.
You're probably right about that. Right?
So there's the camera. So that's the live stream that we're watching right now.
All right. So listen, though, there's a... let's see. Let's go back out here. Let's see. We'll press this guy here. What can you do here? Oh, look at that. So I brought up this thing. It gives us some other features. I can make it go full screen, which is pretty cool. All right.
Right.
And I think I can go back if I can figure out how to do it. I think I pressed this
There's
little
an
button
arrow
here.
up there. Yeah.
Then go back. And then, of course, it captures thumbnails of all the motions we've done while we were testing this thing, right?
So you can turn the motion on or off, and you can set up the human detection in there.
Yep.
It's pretty neat.
So let me see. Let me go back to this here because I want to talk about a few things. So the other thing the camera has is it has a slot for an SD card. I did not put one in. So those thumbnails you saw are that's it, thumbnails. The other thing you can do, though, is you can also either use an SD card or you can go and they have a cloud storage service that you can go ahead and subscribe to. So to give you extra stuff. But let's take a look. Let's see. There's a privacy mode. It turns off the camera. And then the motion detection. This is where Valerie was saying you have human detection. So if it films me, will it discover me?
I don't know. Are you human?
Sometimes I don't think I am.
You can change the sensitivity. You can have a detection zone. So there's a lot of customizations you can do with this.
So I can come in here and say, I only want to see it here. And it'll do it. And you can say save. And now that detection zone's it. And the sensitivity.
Yep.
I wonder what this means. It means, ooh, I see. Farther away or less.
So
that's
it's
pretty
got
cool.
sensitivity built in. And, you know, and what's really neat about this is that while it has its own motion detector, it also works with the SwitchBot ecosystem. So you can have triggers from an external motion detector that you can buy or a contact sensor that shows if the door is open or closed, and you can make those happen with this SwitchBot Hub Mini. What else is in the box? Should we make sure?
We should make sure we know what's in the box.
Right. It comes with a power cord. It does require power. This is not battery powered, right?
That's correct. You have to be powered.
So it has to be powered. So it comes with a power cord. It comes with a little user manual. It's handy. It also comes with some mounting screws and some sticky tape if you want to mount it that way.
So one of the other things they have here is local storage. So you can go in here. If I had an SD card in there, you would see how much is left in capacity. The other thing is they have basic settings. Now here's nice because you can make night vision auto or not auto. And you have video display. So you can put on a watermark if you want, or if you want to flip the screen, you can do that as well. That's kind of nice if you kind of hang the camera like this. And then they have talk mode. You can make it one way or two way. So it's pretty cool. So, well, that's pretty much it. I think there's some alert notifications. You can get app notifications or email alerts. Which
Yep, that's cool. Handy.
I got a plus. Oh, we can type it in. Email address.
You can type in other email addresses, so that's neat.
All right, so that's kind of the scoop of that. And, of course, you can update the firmware and you get device info.
Okay, so that's it. That is the SwitchBot indoor camera. It is a really nice, lightweight indoor camera that you can either mount or put on a little stand. It works on its own or with other devices in the SwitchBot ecosystem, as long as you have the SwitchBot Hub Mini. And it uses local storage, or you can subscribe to the cloud.
That's it.
Did I cover everything?
I think we covered everything.
All right. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.